I sit down for everything.
Finish my biscuits.
You finished, but you finished the biscuits. Whenever I sit down for your biscuits, you finish it.
Is it going to take long? Not at all. I'll just get some liquid in my jar and that's
Sorry, I
it.
done me. Sit down on our tablet and our biscuits.
Never finish.
What?
That's fine.
Jesus.
It's gonna take forever.
No, it's not too late, girl.
Sun is exciting.
You don't remember me?
Not shining.
You do? Okay.
Wow. This one goes here. Now a nut. Wrench. Ready. Yay!
Yeah, they have tried this one.
Left. A little bit more. Okay, lamp. Yes!
All
We're
right.
back to normal size in no time. Bacon adventure rocks.
He always like a ball down things. She have over 250. No man. I don't have apple tree up a country. Sure. Apple supposed to fall like rain, you know. But the one them down this at the end, them look no far, never tree me seen of them there. I tax people, them should them know so them a come from the airport. Purr.
It's just a teeny tiny ray. What if it doesn't
Tori said she like burgers.
What if it makes me huge?
Tori just burger. Yeah.
We fixed it. We're awesome. We're the best.
More spicy. Eh? The zinger spicy, the box. Me can't
spicy thing about some please.
All spices thing about?
burst. Burst for the chicken.
Gigantic roll with a potato spray gun.
What kind of flavor they have again?
Now we know what I'm going to be.
Yeah, take me. Wink. Do it. Wink, no? Yeah, wink. Yeah.
It's a metal detector for finding treasure. Like this.
Anyways, I'm putting together this box so Tori can get some chicken. I'm making it.
Greek sculptures, superheroes from Roman
A lot
times.
of moving.
I'm serious on a biking story. Of course, you're posting the contract. This truck is the soup stirrer in the land.
But I'm not gonna stir it no more. And box for Tori. This is me,
It's
right?
not a treasure, it's just trash. It's not worth it.
Show you on the other side. Ah, that's zinger. That's zinger. What's wrong? And I'm up there. the tea. But y'all come up here to come drink for her, fuck. They want me to lock my hair so bad. This is how it would look. Good morning. Say good morning to my dog. Yeah, it's like 6 a.m. We've been up since 5 because the light decided to go away. But I'm restarting the vlog. So I'm here to say good morning to y'all. And yeah, we're in Jamaica. Got my hair done yesterday. Now today, I'm just got to see my dad. These pimples in my face is irritating me, but we're gonna take care of the face later. It's not that bad, but later. We're gonna do lashes, and I might just go do my nails right now to get it out of the way. So we just gonna see. But I'm going in the back. Shalina ready for school. Cause that girl got school. See how early? And I'm up. Why am I up? It's alright, but I'm up. But yeah, finna get this nails done with. Yeah. You took it easier for it. No. Y'all, I have greasy skin and I'm just not realizing that my skin is greasy. I'll put this pimple patch on until later, until I'm ready to wash my face and get the day started. But I'm just putting that on for now. But these are the ones that I'm putting on right now. And we're just gonna see how it goes with these. Cause babes, I've had these so long, I love them. I was just waiting for the time to put them on. And this is the time. This is the time, my loves. But you know how long them a drive around? Cause they're on the building and I watch them, you know. Oh, these are long. Yeah, these are long. I don't do long nails. I That's only I. Say hi to my vlog. Yeah, Devon. Say hi to my vlog. To my YouTube. Say hi to my YouTube. Just say hi, bro. That's my cousin. And this is gonna be tedious. Oh my god.
Find something for you now.
Find something. Where's my table? Find something. I think they want these on different. This is gonna be this, and then this is gonna be pink. Alright, boy. I'm trying my best. Cause this one, I don't know about this one, babe. And I'll see me later when you come back. I'm gone. And y'all, I brought this, but this is not enough to do my nails now. I don't think so. Yeah, they're definitely not enough, and I didn't bring the other ones. Yikes. So we're going to have to do these ones today. We're gonna have to do these ones today. I didn't know they were this long. Like, I don't like long nails for real. Missy, want to look at black shoes right there, so. Missy, I look at black shoes right there, so. And that's you wear? I'm not gonna lie, I'll probably be back to y'all. I'm not recording this whole thing, but I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. Yeah, I never cut down my nails this like short, like it's weird. But nobody's seeing it. My nails are always like long. And nobody's seeing it, bro. But yeah, all I ate since I've been here is KFC. I'm slacking. I only got 4 days. Gotta make it count. But I am bringing back KFC, so I'm not trying to kill myself on it. Because that Zinger box and I, we're gonna have a time, okay? And I gotta do my lashes. Remember, I the light gone, y'all. Thank God I had money, no, so I can catch up the phone and I can see somewhere out there to do my lashes. So I'm not gonna have time later. I'm not gonna have time. Grandmother gonna want to show me her house, and I'm gonna have mirror with me. A mirror, yeah. And then I'm gonna go out there, outside, because my friend is gonna have the friend that did my hair. Y'all saw in the vlog. She's having a little thing. She's having a little drink, something out there. So I'll be out there before I leave. And then I leave like in the day. So I'm gonna take a shower, probably around 12. Like I said, it's 6. Like, we have time, babes. We have time to do everything. Wanna hear that? That's how you wake them hoes up in the morning. Them shits is annoying sometimes. Not gonna lie. They're not as long as I thought, but they are. They look cute. We'll be back when we get something, because I'm only one finger almost done. This one is empty, so we go back. Yeah, I'm at a dilemma. I don't know how to style it. I'm thinking I'm gonna put this on here, the orange. We gonna see how it goes. You know, either way, it's on. That's all that matters. So we getting somewhere, y'all. My only thing is, I put this one on over here because I'm like, okay, I'm probably gonna put the pink over here. So I'm gonna find a pink one to put on this. And I don't know, the thumbs, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna find something to put on thumbs. It's gonna be pink or orange, as y'all can see. And why are they on the ends? Because these fit these. Everything else, it didn't fit the thumb. They didn't have nothing for the thumb, so. Yeah, but I love these. I love these ones, they're so cute. That's it. That's it. That dude just waking up. He was snoring, talking about something. He's been up. No, baby, he was snoring. I heard it. Look at that cat. No. Don't say cat a thief. Watch them. Don't have no owner. My friend, I have 2 cats. That shit. I've been like, right now. That mango you call was stuck in your teeth.
That's why I'm not eating.
A Julie or Blackie?
No, so I just black mango and I'm stuck in your teeth. They look like a string.
Ah.
I'm a string.
Them get the right name. They're just in there. I'm talking about in it. No man gonna get discriminated around here. I'm eating all of them. Y'all can see the view of this place. Like, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Look at the ceiling. Spikes. Like, it's so pretty. I love the pink. One thing with you, and I left out your pink. And I left out your pink.
And I was looking at the book and she said, a pink can be flavored. A little pink. Looking at a book where they show you color your bird. And she said, a pink. I said, oh, that's why I love pink. So I love pink, bad man. The thing we do, a pink can be different.
Y'all, I'm signing out. We're not doing anything right now. I'll hit y'all up later. Say bye to my vlog. And don't be mean mugging them.
What is it?
I said bye to my vlog. Just wave.
Oh, yeah, we are.
Yes, damn. Guys, she has to tell him that she want one more. Smart.
You know, never make my circle different, man.
Are you on this that pay in? Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. The one on the hotel say hi soon now. I'm looking at your camera. What's wrong? But yeah, so Potty. Yeah. Y'all, this lash cluster that I got from this one is better because the other one, it didn't come with these eyelid and lash wipes. It did not come with those. And then it comes with this too, where it's like this to, you know, get your lashes together. And then or your brows, and then this part, don't do too much on the nails, y'all, but this part, y'all see, yeah, but I think that's so cool. And then the lash sealing, lash bond, and then the lash remover right there. Whoa. But yeah, and then of course the tweezers right here. So it comes with more stuff. I like this better. I'll definitely get this pack again. The other pack did not come with this. Like I said, it came just with tweezer and lash bond, lash seal, lash remover, and the pack of lashes of course. But that's about it. I have to record this, y'all. Why the light is gone and they said this, the bird did, and the bird is like there dead as fuck. I can't even be on this vlog long, but we're at some place. Oh, and here up there. But yes, let me get off of the music. Made it clear. Okay. What is this? Hold on, y'all. Let me put back the kiss in here so y'all can see this. Hold on. This is so cute. I'm gonna smell it. Okay, put you right there.
Okay, as y'all know, there must be more chemicals. So I'm going to call every ICU. Probably for male.
Ooh, it smells good.
Definitely full of fucking holes for me.
Yeah. Some Mario. The guy is a lead.
You know what he is?
I can't take out this one.
My son is not a killer. There's no way he did this. When I see the sunshine, that's
some short top.
That's my son.
Go down by the cute top.
You know exactly how it has to do. So don't pretend you're not past this.
It will hurt. I feel like my purse is. Oh.
That's it.
It's a purse, not a bracelet. Not a bracelet.
No more. That's it.
This is so cute.
That's what it costs.
Yeah.
Get back.
Nobody touched me on my little bracelet now. Actually go with my fit for tomorrow. I got me some kind of just like these pants. I love these pants. It's like that's Hey y'all, I got my clothes laid out here for the wedding because the wedding is tomorrow, 1 p.m. We're gonna see how this whole process goes because the face bead that I have to do, yeah, it's gonna be gruesome. Got me a leather jacket, pants, well, skirt.
What you saying? Demons. Demons.
Yep.
That's all he knows.
Oh yeah. Just like a short. Oh. Okay, just say 4 minutes. Love Akuma. Add on that extra hour. I'm just like, I gotta get extra rest, babes, cause
Mrs. Cortez.
this is big. It matches my phone. Kinda sorta. Kinda sorta it matches my phone. Ah, yes. Yeah, now I need to get a case for this. Yeah. Apple. Hello. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Buongiorno, or bonjour. Or, hello? Oh, I don't know that one. Hola. Ciao, I know that one. That's Italian. That's, I don't know this one. That looks Japanese. I don't know that one. I don't know that one either. This looks Chinese. Arabic? Hey. Okay, now, y'all showing out. Come on now. Do I have to exit off? Oh, it tells you at the bottom what it is? No, it don't. Do I have to exit off? Let me see. Because it's going to keep saying hello. I'm going to need it to stop. English. I'm going to have to learn how to use this. No, baby. We in the United States. Yeah, I'm successful with it. But y'all, I still gotta do my lashes, as you can see. But I finished updating that. And that's about it. After I do my lashes, I'm going straight to bed. It's about 3 o'clock. And I gotta get up at 8. So, gotta go. Now it's 7:50. I don't know why my face is so oily, but I'm about to go take care of that, and I'm about to go get myself together. I ended up not doing the lashes last night. I got tired and I was lazy. But I'm definitely gonna try to do it this morning. My face is breaking out, acting a fool right now, and I don't understand it. But hey, and it's even more oily than before. Like, it just be oily now. So I'm gonna just start getting products, and that's crazy because at one point I couldn't tell if I was like a oily type of person or dry type of person when it came to my face. So now the fact that it's like in my face all the time, it's irritating. And it's always up here. Like, you see it up there first before you see it anywhere else. But I'm just breaking out. Like, what is this? And y'all, I do not feel like I'm having the best makeup day. I want to wipe it all off. And then these pimples on my face is irritating me. So it just look weird because it's not doing nothing. The pimples are not hiding. The makeup is not hiding nothing. So it looks horrible. I want to wipe it off so bad. We're going to push through. I'll think about it. We're going to push through. It's not all looking up. I don't know. I just feel like, no. I feel like it's a dead no, but we're gonna just push through. I want this day to be over, actually. Not for them, but for me, because I'm irritated. Depends on if I don't like this when I'm editing. Y'all might not see this shit. Sorry. Y'all, I really might cry because I'm not really liking it at all. Like, I'm not liking it at all. I'm bringing my makeup stuff just in case I do want to wipe it off and start over. I have an hour ride to decide what I'm going to do. I'm going to take some pictures and in the natural light and see what it is that I do and don't like, because yeah, it's pissing me off low-key. I don't know if it's my brushes that I need to clean or what, but when you do need your makeup to look good for a special day, that's when it don't look good. When you just there, you just have all the time in the world, that's when it chooses to cooperate. And this is it, honestly. I don't know, I'm bringing two different lip gloss because I don't know which one I like more. Y'all not even seeing it. That's I think I'm putting on some deodorant when I get closer. I'm just gonna bring it up. I'm the type of person, I want to smell good as when I get to the function. So I bring everything. I bring my spray. I'm spraying when I get right before I get to the function. Like, yeah, that's me. Yep, that's me. I don't know, y'all. I'm so irritated with it. And I don't want to hear, you should have got up earlier to do that. I did get up earlier. And it's about the lighting that's in Jamaica. That's horrible. Really horrible. I'm gonna get my other spray so I can spray on my body. So something can be right here. I'm not putting my heels on until I get in the car. My lashes are doing something like they want to embarrass me, and babe, we're not having that. We're not having that. So we gotta come in clutch with her. This is my first time using this one, and I feel like it's because it's my first time. I don't know. I really don't know. It's just looking not so pretty. And I don't want nobody to say nothing to me about my makeup, or don't say shit, please. I do not want to hear it. I'm here for the function. If you don't talk shit behind my back, leave me alone today, please. Talk shit behind my back when I'm gone. Say, oh yeah, and her makeup didn't look good. It's fine. You know, I know I didn't like it either. We can talk about it when I'm over it. Not right now. I'm not doing a what's in my purse edition. This is this bunch of lip gloss that I can't decide which one. Oh, I don't need this. Where am I putting that? Stuff is already in my purse that I can't show y'all, but this is the purse that I'm showing y'all that this is what's going with the fit. And the shoes match the purse. And then some pearls. I don't know what's going on with the purse. Anyways, I'll figure that out later. This is the spray that I said I wanted to spray on my body because it's exposed, so might as well give a little shimmer going on, because I love that for myself. Everything is going to be in my bag, not this bag that I'm bringing, but that bag that I'm bringing on the road, just in case I need to tell them anything. The earrings in my ears is what I decided on. I think I'm gonna stick with those, and this is what I originally wanted to wear. I also had these ones. I feel like I should have worn these ones, but they're kind of more heavier. So yeah, these are the ones I decided on. Okay, I'm gonna get going now, guys. I'm gonna bring my edge control for real, because my edges, they want to curl up and shit. I don't know where the comb part is, but we're gonna get going. I'm already late. I don't need, I have enough perfume. This is another perfume also. I don't think I want to smell like this today. It's not that bad, it's not bad. I smell a bunch of different things. Like, I'm trying to make sure I bring my brush. I can't find it anywhere. If it's not right here where I'm at, then it's in the bag. Then I'm gonna dig through and everything else, but that's it. I'm leaving. This is the face. I feel like it's gonna come together slowly. Y'all think so? We gonna see. I'm bringing my charger, of course. But yeah, I feel like the face is gonna come together slowly. Slowly, we're getting there, slowly. Okay, all right, bye y'all. Y'all, I was having a breakdown about my makeup, but now it's settling and it's not too bad. I think I went over it again with my darker shade that I just like seeing. I don't know, something about my face being bright right here that irritates me. I can't do it like that. I always got to make sure everything is one. But I'm gonna show y'all this fit real quick. So this is the fit. Shoes I got from Amazon, purse Shein, dress Fashion Nova, earring Shein, necklace Shein, and the T one is from the hair store. Nails, I think I got them from Walmart. Bracelets Shein. This bracelet, my stepmother. I'm going to put this thing back on my hair now because I don't want my edges to be lifting or curling, and that's what they're going to be doing soon. So I'm going to, yeah, but this is the fit. I just wanted to show the fit, and then that's it. Dang. Then that's it. The only problem I'm having right now is I'm about to trip over all these slippers. Is this right here? It keeps, you know, I want to get a bobby pin and kind of close this down so it could be tighter. I think that's what I want to do. I forgot to tell y'all, I am bringing these slippers just in case my feet get tired from these heels. I'm trying to open my anklet so I can put my anklet on. I always gotta have some anklet or something going for me. I didn't switch the nails. I'm just gonna let them go like this. But like it does something. It doesn't do anything for me because in my brain I'm just like the nails, the nails. But as long as nobody look at them too long, I'm okay. I need to be confident even when I'm not. That's my problem. What my problem is right now is this. There we go. But this is so cute. It's like 3 of them in there. I'm about to put them on. Well, 2. Just 2, right? Yeah, I'm about to put this on right now. I feel like it's so cute. But I'll see y'all. I don't know when, but I'll see y'all. I'm gonna put my thing back on my head. Alright, vlog, I promise now we're leaving. Like I said, I was gonna put this back on my head because you know what's pissing me off? These lashes. But we're gonna have a good day. Yay, we're going to have a good day. But this is the fit. Through your mind. Alright, we're going. Bye. Ciao. By the time I get out this car, y'all, I'm gonna throw up everything I ate this morning. Because why? Why? Between the pothole and all this money drive. I literally can touch my y'all, my friend over there doing this big one. Oh my god, a nice couple. The man I blocked the picture, can't see nothing, but I'm here. It's now 1:53. The wedding will start 1 o'clock, guys. Me late, but thank god them not started. Come and miss everything. They just got here, so my edges is sweat the fuck out. So do not pay no attention to it. Look at my Oh, my two friends are together. Omar up there sweat. And, Miss Brand.
Shasha, go bring him.
Vlog the eat win with my edges. But say hi to the vlog. Hi, vlog. You know, the people in my mind.
No man, you get too excited.
Oh, sorry. You catch you. Oh my god, so beautiful.
Yeah, Rush.
Yeah.
Rush. That deal?
Guys on the real period. Yeah. I'm trying to take some pictures.
And jacket. I'm bored. There's some money. Jacket.
This is for my vlog.
Get
Who
close
don't
up.
like each other?
Get close up, man.
Yeah, boy, give one.
Come on, kiss for me, see, come in there, see good. Alright.
Everybody smile. Show it.
The lady distract me.
And then everybody look at me and smile, alright?
No, son, no, go up now.
It's raining. They're still taking pictures out here. May I zoom in too much, my love. But yes, they're still out here. Best. Yes. My friends are married man now. Married woman.
And live walk.
The way me I melt into the ground, guys.
Alright, so Morris, come on, put your hands together. Omar Brown, come on! Give it up!
School, primary school, St. Aloysius. Knowing from him little I get trouble, oh gosh. Steffi Hill, St. Andrew Technical, one Scott. Yeah. But to give a toast today is such an honor. I have to say to your parents, Omar, they did a really good job. Like I said, primary school Omar is different than now, but it's such a beautiful thing to see the growth in both of them. Especially in him, our conversations and everything, the way he carried himself as a man, it really shows that y'all did a really, really good job with him, and I'm so proud of him. Yeah. But you know the little girl, with us alive, you know that. Congratulations, I'm so proud of you.
Here and now, I promise to love faithfully.
You better sing.
You're all I need. Now, I promise to love faithfully.
The promise is strong.
I need you, yeah. Here and now, I promise to love faithfully.
Who's the pickier eater? You see, Jesus, whatever picky eater, serious eating, I'm one. Who's the better driver? Who's more likely to get lost? I think you pass every spirit part of the second. Who's better at saving money? See then, Jesus. Woman always no better at saving money. I when they work up back. Jesus. No, spirit. 2, 3, let's go. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm ready to go home. You shut down, so you have to play with it. I don't know what it's up down. No. Mr. Brown, you know your wife long enough. You know the size that she like. Put up one piece that she like. Put up one size that she like. You're not going to use your hand and touch it. I'm going to use your hand and pick it up. For if your hands are incapacitated, your wife's still going to need feeding. You're going to have to use your mouth. Everybody will say wife, if them wife hand cut off or if them hand cut, you see you? You're in trouble. Go outside. Go outside. Pastor, come not carry a little plate, an empty plate. You're the pastor. Anything I do tonight, I blame it on the pastor. Yeah? No, boss. I said God. And I said, come on. You swallow away in your mouth right now. And that's why go. He auntie said to come down on him. I don't know what comes down. I need an empty plate. I need an empty plate. I need a cut out a little piece. You're in public, but cut a little piece. You're in public, but cut a little piece. Cut a little piece back. You have to use your mouth, take your good out your hand. You don't know how you have to put your hand behind your back. Jesus Christ. The box your gum she have. So you have to stop. No, you have to chew it up. You have to chew it up. Gum she have. She can't eat no hard no bad. She can't eat no hard no. You have to start with it as best as possible. When I say once a man, that's right. What baby feed pan? The crushed food. Alright. No, crushing up. Crushing up more. No, you have to take it tonight. If you don't take it tonight, anything in here tonight you can't take it either. No, you have to chew it. But you can't tell me how. You have to get feeding. I mean, I'm a pediatrician. Alright. Put both of your hands to the back of her neck. Jesus. You say back of her neck in the choke her. Step in. Settle your stomach. Turn to the camera. The camera needs to catch this moment. Step in. I said to you as your little brother, your father-in-law, everything. This is the softest thing you'll get from your husband. Open your mouth. Open wide. Take all of it. When Pastor Gillard's up at church, he said, eat all of it. Take all of it. You have to swallow it too now. Step in. You know your husband from the noon. From V. St. Andrew. 10th class school. You know what he likes. Give it to him like he likes. Go talk a little piece. God Almighty, I feel something from Saturday. Tasha, stay outside. You're the daughter. You're the daughter's the one good daughter. She's a big woman now. She giving man what the man want. Chew it up. Make it soft. You ever eat mashed potato with a little mayonnaise? I hear the man say, water my soul, Lord, water my soul. Hallelujah. No, I think it needs to chew a little softer. Eh? You know, sir? No, sir. You know, when you mix marker, you have to soft. When you are bad. Soup it up. No, we're not soup up yet. Try to be able to take your saliva and can't take your saliva a little bit. Alright. Mr. Brown, allow your wife to hold you by the back of your neck. Jesus Christ, my bite you, lift him ready. Take ye all of it. Some left in our mouth, this one. I don't know what left in our mouth, but take out of it.
My friend, my very true friend, you know what I say? And you know who else? The bad photographer, you know what I say? You know?
Yeah.
They make it really, you know? Beautiful, yeah. You know? Keep from me to me, I tell you, say the work amazing, you know? Keep up the good work, you know? And we have one more when we get married soon, you know? We have to be proud, and you know, I like to see. But my name look a bit a while ago, because I don't know the last name, but you know that for me, you know? Yes, you know what I say? It's so coming on, it's so coming.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking
No.
We have a deal like finding Nemo, you have to find the marriage, you know, you have to find the man, you know? You know? But when you go home, you will get it.
It was a beautiful night, and I want to end with a giveaway. Take out all your busy cell phones. If you are postpaid, you can't get this.
I'm back from the reception. It was lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. You see my hair? Lovely, lovely, lovely. I'm about to wipe off this little makeup thing that I got going on my face. And yes, prepare for bed. My face is very oily. Yup. My face is very oily, so I took my earrings out because it was really dragging. That's why I don't wear long earrings. But lucky thing they were just clip-on earrings. So yeah, but the service was really lovely. I'm gonna give y'all a dive in like later when I can sit down and actually talk for real, like a recap. But signing out.